Smoking up some cheese curd meatballs. Simple, delicious, tasty. What a treat. Alright, here are the leftover cheese curds we had from a party not too long ago. I gotta cut them up a little bit. Gotta keep them. I don't want these meatballs too big, but they're gonna be a nice size. So we gotta cut these cheese curds in half. Gotta get quite a few of them. I'm gonna do about 15 to 20 meatballs, depending on how many I can get out of that pound and a half of ground beef there. So we're all cut up here. Now we're gonna mix up the ground beef. This is from a cow I got butchered not too long ago, a pound and a half. Now you can definitely put in some like sausage, some pork sausage for a little bit extra moisture, but I chose just to go with beef today. Got an egg there, so that egg probably costs like $5. Drop it in there. And here we go, a little bit of panko, Italian breadcrumbs. Gonna put some of our all-purpose barbecue rub in there as well. So this is an all-purpose one, and then all-purpose garlic seasoning, some Worcestershire sauce, and mix that up in there. Mix it real good. Now you can definitely play around with flavors and things like that. You can season it however you want to season it with, whatever your favorite seasoning or rub is. I definitely chose to go a little bit more classic with our garlic seasoning and our all-purpose seasoning. Those go great on just about anything. But here you want to flatten out, grab a little bit of your mixture. Now we're just going to put that cheese curd right in the middle, and we're going to roll it up. Super simple. I'm hoping these add a nice flavor to it. Yeah, I like my meatballs a little meaty, so you could probably get a lot more meatballs if you go smaller. But man, me and my boys, we like to eat the meatballs, so we're going to make them a little big. While I get the grill all set up to go, today I'm going to be using some hickory wood of a nice mild smoky flavor. We did put together a free guide for it. It's great. It gives you the time and temperature, pork, poultry, and then also we have we put together like a nice pairing guide for you. The piece of wood or flavor of wood that you're looking to use, cuts of meat like beef, pork, poultry, game. It's a sweet and savory. Great on beef, so that's why I'll put the link below. So it's a free guide for you, so you can use it whenever you need it. Otherwise, we'll get back to the cook. So we're setting up the Weber today with the indirect grilling. So I'm going to be putting all of the coals to one side and smoking the meatballs for a little bit. Using some B&B charcoal. Again, I love some B&B. Stuffing some of my kids' artwork in there, light it on fire, and we'll get this chimney going. Like I said, I'm going to be using some hickory wood today, some wood chips. I really like the soft, kind of subtle flavor that you get from hickory. 2-zone fire, so all the coals going on one side. Got to get them a little even there. Put the grate right back on top, let that heat up for a little bit, probably 15 to 20 minutes. I'm looking for about 375. This will be a quick cook. Wiping down the grates with some olive oil so my meatballs don't stick. And here we go, putting them on. We're going to let those smoke for a little bit, and we're going to come out here and check on them in a little bit. I'm looking for an internal temp of about 160. You could go a little bit higher, but I don't want that cheese to bust out too much. And oh, look at that. Look at that meat on that grill. And after about 30 minutes, I came out to check out. Their cheese starting to ooze out. Checking my internal temp again, looking for 160. Anything over that, we're good. And if you wanted to char those up a little bit, you can put them definitely right over the coals. But these look good. They're just about done. I'm gonna take them off. They got a nice color on it. Oh, don't forget that one. And look at that. Woo! Look at that. First test. Ha! Smoky, cheesy meatballs. Perfect for a dish or whatever you're cooking. Put them in some spaghetti, some sauce. Hey, if you like this, go out to burnpitbbq.com. Check us out. Thanks for watching.